I baked cookies yesterday. I baked cookies yesterday. I studied for the exam. I called Rebecca last night. I called Rebecca last night. I rode my bicycle. I rode my bicycle. I danced all night. I danced all night. I took notes during the lecture. I took notes during the lecture. I swam in the pool. I swam in the pool. I painted the fence white. I painted the fence white. I walked to the store. I walked to the store. I hung the picture on the wall. I hung the picture on the wall. I cooked a delicious meal yesterday. I cooked a delicious meal yesterday. I drove to work by car. I drove to work by car. I flew to New York. I flew to New York. I ate sushi for dinner. I ate sushi for dinner. I felt happy about the good news. I felt happy about the good news. I had a meeting early this morning. I had a meeting early this morning. I went to the beach yesterday. I went to the beach yesterday. I ate pizza for lunch. I ate pizza for lunch. I fell off the bike. I fell off the bike. I slept for 8 hours last night. I slept for 8 hours last night. She drank a cup of tea. She drank a cup of tea. I sang karaoke last night. I sang karaoke last night. I sat in the cafe for hours. I sat in the cafe for hours. I watched a movie last night. I watched a movie last night. I wrote a letter to my grandmother. I wrote a letter to my grandmother. I worked on the project all day. I worked on the project all day. I won the game. I won the game. I climbed the mountain last weekend. I climbed the mountain last weekend. I earned a bonus at work. I earned a bonus at work. I floated on the river in a boat. I floated on the river in a boat. I hugged my friend. I hugged my friend. I knitted a scarf for winter. I knitted a scarf for winter.